If your Daikin AC suddenly stops making that familiar beep sound when you press the remote, it can instantly make you think something serious is wrong. But don't worry, this is one of the easiest AC issues to fix. And in most cases, you can solve it in just a couple of minutes. Let's start with the most common cause. The sound setting is turned off or the volume is set too low. Turn on your Daikin AC, grab the remote, and press the menu button. Navigate through the options until you find something like sound, beep tone, or button volume. Once you're inside that menu, check if the beep tone is muted or if the volume slider is set really low. Increase it, press OK, and test the remote. Surprisingly, most people fix the issue right here without realizing the AC was simply muted. But if your sound settings look normal and still nothing happens, it might be a temporary glitch. In that case, perform a soft reset, turn the AC off, unplug it from the wall, and wait about 5 minutes. This helps clear any internal errors that might be blocking the beep. After 5 minutes, plug it back in, power it on, and test the remote again. Next, don't forget to check the remote control itself. Weak batteries can cause a weak or inconsistent signal. Replace the batteries with fresh ones and make sure you're pointing the remote directly at the AC sensor. Also check that nothing is blocking the sensor, like curtains, furniture, or even dust buildup on the panel. If you've tried all this and the beep still doesn't return, try testing your AC with a universal remote. If the universal remote makes the AC beep, then your original Daikin remote is likely faulty and needs replacement. But if neither remote triggers the beep, then the issue is probably inside the unit itself. In that case, reaching out to Daikin support is the safest next step since the internal sound component may need professional attention. With these quick checks, you should be able to get your Daikin AC's beep sound working again without stress. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you fix the problem fast.